If you like bananas, especially pancakes, you must see this video with my recipe. If you enjoy the content, click subscribe and give it a thumbs up. I'm Patrick, and you're watching my banana pancakes recipe. Start by cracking 2 eggs into a deep bowl. Add a bit of oat milk and whisk with a kitchen whisk to combine the ingredients. Add the same volume of flour as the eggs with milk. Mix and add 20 grams of baking powder. Continue alternating between adding oat milk and wheat flour. Meanwhile, I added banana syrup, but vanilla syrup will work too. If you don't have it, you can skip this step. You'll find the exact measurements used in this recipe below, in the description of this video. Peel 2 of your favorite larger bananas and cut them into large pieces, as you see on the screen. Add the sliced bananas to the previously prepared mixture, stir, and continue adding flour until the batter is thick. Fry the banana pancakes on a heated pan for about 3 minutes on each side. For serving, I used powdered sugar and my favorite buckwheat honey. Let me know in the comments how you liked them, and don't forget to subscribe for more of my recipes.